Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and in the search pool type Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here, we get the temperature of our battery. That's 27 degrees right now. Also get here the level of our battery, the health, max capacity, and more and other information. Also got here the model and Android version and more other info about our device and the battery. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.